Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Google Forms from Google Sheets. To get started, open your Google Sheet. This can be a blank spreadsheet or an existing one, depending on what you want to use as the starting point for your form. Beginning from Google Sheets is useful because it creates a direct connection between the form and the spreadsheet, making it easier to organize and review responses later. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. This menu includes several built-in options that help you extend what your spreadsheet can do. And one of those options allows you to quickly create a form without leaving the Google Workspace environment. Using this route can save time compared with opening Google Forms separately and linking it afterward. After opening the Tools menu, select Create a New Form. As soon as you click this option, Google will automatically generate a new Google form that is connected to your spreadsheet. This connection is especially helpful because responses submitted through the form can be collected in an organized way, which makes tracking data much simpler. If you are gathering feedback, collecting registrations, or creating an internal questionnaire, this built-in setup can streamline the process right from the start. Once the form opens, you can begin customizing it. This is the stage where you shape the form to match your specific goal. You can update the title so it clearly reflects the purpose of the form, and you can adjust the questions to gather the information you need. Take a moment to review the layout and make sure the form is easy for others to understand. Clear wording and a logical structure can improve the quality of the responses you receive. As you customize, keep your audience in mind. If the form is meant for quick responses, keep the questions straightforward. If you need more detailed information, make sure each prompt is specific enough to guide the person filling it out. It is also a good idea to preview your form once you finish customizing it, so you can check that everything appears correctly and flows naturally from one section to the next. That's all it takes to create a Google form directly from Google Sheets. Starting in Sheets and using the Tools menu is a fast and efficient way to build a form that is already linked for response collection. With your form created and customized, you are ready to move forward with sharing it and collecting information more efficiently.